What is up, Tool Sixers? My name is Nathan Seeker, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. Basically, if you are new here, I want you to go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so we can make the family grow, so we can make it grow so you can see more videos of reviews and other stuff. Basically, yesterday I went to 7-Eleven. Basically, 7-Eleven, you know, they sell fidget spinners there, and they sell, like, you know, they might sell fidget cubes. Basically, what I found, it's called a Fidget widget. $8.50. I tried to scratch it off. And then, instruction manual inside. Here it is. So basically, we're gonna open it. Here it is, the Fidget widget. It's a fidget cube. You can basically, first thing, let's get the manual out. Comes in, it's this little box, and comes in that. I guess you open this. Oh, here's instruction manual. Move these aside. I don't really fidget. Would I enjoy the fidget widget? We think so. Not everyone fidgets the same amount, but spending the last few years deeply interested in the process of fidgeting, we've observed the fact that almost everyone fidgets to some extent, in a variety of ways. How do I use it? How do you not know how to use this thing? It's simple. iFidget widget has 6 sides. Each side features something to fidget with. So, first is the click. So here's the click. It's like a die. So there's these buttons. This 1, 2, 3 are silent, but these 2 are clicky. Next is the spin, and this is this. You basically just spin it. That's it. Next is flip. You like press it, and it's really satisfying. We got glide. So glide. This thing right here. It's like a joystick. We got roll. Now roll this is several fidgets in one. It's got the rolling, tactile, spinny things. Got this spinning smooth metal ball, but it also clicks. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. And then we got, it's called Chill with a smiley face. So I'm guessing that's the only one. I didn't. So here's the Chill. It's a worrisome. I have a bunch of fake fidget cubes. This is the only good one. But this is basically based off of worrisome. But yeah, that was it. I really hope you like this YouTube video. Comment, like, subscribe, and as always, peace out and stay cool.